In this support video, we will be showing you two options to install the anti-tip. There are two install options, the anti-tip bracket or the chain. For the anti-tip installation, the bracket will be inserted into the back opening of the range. The two brackets will need to be 13.9 inches or 352 millimeters apart. Mark your wall with the proper measurements. Depending on the range leg support height, it can vary. From the ground to the bracket can range from 27.4 to 29.4 inches. Once your markings is complete, drill in the brackets with the screws for both ends. Align and move your range to rest on the anti-tip bracket. Option 2 is to install the anti-tip chains. Simply screw in the chains in the back of the range. Fasten in the hook on the back wall and adjust accordingly. If you have a drywall or sheetrock, then insert the supplied drywall anchor followed by the anti-tip chain. This completes the installation.